Imagine turning a tiny, effortless spin of a wheel into a force powerful enough to move a heavy truck. A simple twist, multiplied hundreds of times. Welcome to the hidden world inside a gearbox, the mechanical heart of torque itself. At first glance, a gearbox might seem ordinary, just metal, teeth, and shafts. But inside, it's a marvel of engineering. Every car, every industrial machine, and countless tools rely on this compact device to control speed, force, and direction. It converts the energy from an engine or motor into usable motion, making machines not just move, but move with precision and strength. Without it, your car would struggle to start, cranes couldn't lift tons, and even a simple drill would be just a weak spin. Industrial gearboxes are fascinating to study up close, slowly rotating as their mechanisms reveal themselves. Energy flows from engine to wheels, transferred through interlocking gears, making motion possible. Machines face a universal problem: power alone is not enough. Torque, the rotational force that makes objects turn, must be controlled. Too little torque and heavy loads won't budge. Too much speed without control and mechanisms fail or break? Consider pushing a car stuck in mud. Alone, your arms can barely move it. But with a lever, or in our case, a gearbox, that small push becomes a force capable of lifting or moving massive weight. Inside a gearbox, gears start to rotate slowly, beginning the process of torque multiplication. It all starts with the input shaft, the part connected to the engine or motor. The input shaft is the first point where raw power enters the gearbox. Think of it as the hand passing a baton in a relay race. As the engine turns, the input shaft starts to spin, sending energy into the gearbox. Energy flows visibly into the shaft, ready to be amplified by the gears. The heart of torque multiplication lies in the gears. Simple in design, just circles with teeth, yet incredibly powerful. By meshing two gears of different sizes, the gearbox can change speed and multiply torque. Here's the physics. A small gear driving a larger gear slows down rotation but increases torque. Conversely, a large gear driving a small one speeds up rotation but reduces torque. It's a delicate balance, a dance of force and motion. Small people or forces pushing large wheels show how torque multiplies slowly but powerfully. Gears don't float in mid-air. Shafts hold them, and bearings allow smooth, low-friction rotation. Precision here is critical. Even the tiniest misalignment can waste energy or damage teeth. Now imagine a small spinning motor. As the gears engage, each stage amplifies the torque. In multi-stage gearboxes, the effect compounds. The torque at the output shaft can be dozens, even hundreds of times stronger than the input. It's like whispering a command to a giant. The small input starts a chain reaction, and the machine roars to life with immense strength. Gear ratios determine how torque and speed are balanced. Lower gears give maximum torque for starting heavy loads. Higher gears sacrifice torque for speed, perfect for cruising. In manual gearboxes, shifting gears adjusts these ratios. Automatic systems use hydraulics and sensors to do the same seamlessly. All this mechanical work generates heat. Oil lubricates gears, reduces friction, and keeps metal from grinding away. In heavy-duty gearboxes, cooling systems prevent overheating because even the strongest steel can fail under excessive heat. Step inside a gearbox and you see a miniature city of interlocking gears, spinning shafts, and sliding synchronizers. Every tooth counts, every rotation is calculated. In automatic transmissions, planetary gears multiply torque in every direction, while clutches and brakes manage which gear is active. It's a choreography of metal and motion, invisible to the user yet essential for performance. Gearboxes are everywhere. Trucks hauling goods rely on them to start heavy loads. Wind turbines use them to convert slow blade rotation into fast generator speed. Industrial robots depend on precise torque for delicate assembly tasks. Without gearboxes, modern transportation, manufacturing, and even renewable energy would be impossible. They're the silent workhorses that multiply our efforts, making machines more capable than human strength alone. Some gearboxes can handle torque so high that one misaligned gear could lift a car into the air, literally, like a mechanical superhero. The largest gear in the world weighs over 100 tons and is used in mining excavators. Imagine moving that with precision. Gear teeth are not straight, they're angled in a helical design. This spreads the load smoothly, reduces noise, and increases efficiency. Side-by-side comparison of straight versus helical gears shows how design affects performance. A gearbox may seem like just metal and teeth, but it's a triumph of human ingenuity. It transforms simple energy into usable power, balances strength and speed, and performs tirelessly in machines around the world. Every spin, every torque multiplication is a testament to the elegant rules of physics and engineering creativity. It's where human invention meets mechanical magic and where the ordinary becomes extraordinary. Machines are more than tools. Inside them, we see the poetry of motion, the beauty of force, and the limitless potential of human design. Subscribe for more machine magic and step inside the world where engineering meets wonder.